Hey everybody, I hope you're doing well. This is Sandra Lett coming to you from Garner, North Carolina, and I am so proud to be a part of a collaboration in North Carolina, the Acrylic Pouring with Your Neighbor NC Artist Collaboration. Yay! And I am so honored to be doing this collaboration with Garrick Brown Art Studio in Durham and Crystal Coast Originals, and her name is Amanda. She's in Henderson. We're going to all use the same products, but with 3 different pouring artists. We're going to see how different our pours will be. So we're going to do a large abstract ribbon pour, and we're going to use Artist Loft White Flow Acrylic. Now, everything is going to be mixed with Floetrol. 2 parts Floetrol to 1 part paint. And the paints that we are using are going to be pretty limited. We're going to do raw umber. This is all Master's Touch. Naples Yellow. Viridian. And Phthalocyanine Blue. Or it's just easier to say Phthalo Blue. So a fairly limited color palette. And we can also use the white with it. And we're going to do a large ribbon pour and just have fun. We decided it would be fun to just do something with local artists. And we're hoping that there'll be more collaborations in the North Carolina area. And maybe this will spur you on to try a collaboration in your own state. So I'm going to do my pour for you in a few minutes. And then at the end of my video, Garrick will do his video. I'll send you the link and you can just follow right up with my video with his video. And then right after Garrick finishes up, then Amanda will finish with her Crystal Coast Original channel. I'll post all the links below the video so that you can watch all 3. And just sit back and enjoy watching us create 3 original artists and do it their own original way. So I am so happy to be a part of this, and I hope you enjoy, and I hope you also learn something too. We're not going to use silicone this time either, and just use the paint, Floetrol, and water. And I'll be right back showing you how I'm going to mix it. So now I'm at my pouring table. I forgot to mention we're going to do the ribbon pour out of a Tupperware container. So we'll go from this. Okay. I've mixed 3 of the colors. I'm mixing the last one, 2 parts Floetrol to 1 part paint. Got a little blue on my stick, but I know that it's going to be hidden by the brown. So you want to mix your paint and Floetrol together first so that they bind together. And then you can add your water after you've mixed the paint and Floetrol. It's just better to combine the 2 thicker items together to let that chemical bond kind of take place, and then add the water. And my water looks milky, and that's just because I put a little Floetrol into my water, no more than 10%, but it just kind of helps the water blend into the paint mixture easier as opposed to just straight water. Alright, so this is the consistency that I like. It runs off your stick and it lands in a light mound, but it kind of dissipates. It's not super, I don't like it super runny and watery. I like to have a little body to it. So I do have my palette knife. I've got an old plastic credit card, a straw, and a skewer. Those are my tools in case I want to do any just anything with my pour that I'm not satisfied with it coming out of the container. I'm going to make puddles into this container and then pour it onto the canvas. And so I've also got a huge cup of white. I use way more white than anything else, and I keep it on hand. So I have a really large cup of the white. And now I'm going to pour with my NC neighbors. And we've even thought about getting together and getting a group of North Carolina artists together and do some painting together. How fun would that be? So here we go. Okay, I'm going to stop on this one. I'm probably going to do another one just because I am not super crazy about this one. And I want to just compare the two. I'm going to leave this one as is. It's got some pretty areas. Sometimes when you envision something happening with certain colors, it doesn't always happen the way you think it's going to. think I like this one better. Let me tell you why. It's very abstract, it's very busy, but in a way I see a fox's head and it's running, and here's a leg here. So I see the body of a fox, and so I love the abstract feel of that. So I like this one actually better. I will post both videos and I will show the dried pictures at the end of the video. So thank you so much for watching, and the next one up is going to be Garrick Brown, and his YouTube channel is Garrick Brown Art Studio, and I will post the link to his video below mine and also to Amanda's Crystal Coast Originals. She will have a YouTube video as well. I'm real curious to see how they do their pours in comparison to mine. So I hope you enjoyed it, and let's get together and paint in North Carolina. Leave some comments below if you would be interested in a future event where we maybe get together in a city in North Carolina that's kind of central and do a little paint pouring. Have a little workshop. So I will see you later on. Thank you so much. So you can take this to this. Yes, you can. Or you can take this to this. So quite the abstract looking pieces, don't you think? I had a blast making them. You know, sometimes they don't always turn out the way you want to, but every experience is a learning experience, right? So just enjoy creating, have fun, pursue the passions of your heart, and create art. And I'll see you on the next video. But stay tuned and go on over to Garrick Brown's video. Watch his creation, and it will be followed up by Amanda's Crystal Coast Originals. Have fun watching. So my message to you, go find your neighbor, whether it's in North Carolina or another state in the U.S. or outside of the United States. Find your neighbors and friends to create and paint with. Do what makes you happy. Pursue your passion. If it's creating art from the heart, go for it. Enjoy, and I hope you make many beautiful creations, and I'll see you on the next video. Goodbye, everybody.